What to do if your license is not showing or license not found error is occurring on your game in the Steam. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So I'll be providing the link of the Steam account in the description below so you guys can check it out. So what you guys have to do is to go to your Steam account and make sure that you follow these simple steps. Verify game ownership. Ensure the game appears in your Steam library. Confirm you are logged into the correct Steam account associated with the game. Update the Steam client. In the Steam application, click on the Steam in the top left corner and click on the check for the client updates and install any available updates. Verify game files. Right click on the game in your library, select priorities, local files, and verify integrity of the game files. After that, reinstall the game, uninstall the game, or reinstall the game if the issue is still not fixed. And last but not the least, contact the Steam support. If the issue persists, reach out to the Steam support for personalized assistance. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope you find this pretty helpful.